All right, YouTube, welcome back. So I had the pleasure of meeting this customer and car, I think the beginning of this year. Chevy Cobalt, 2000.
I don't know, 2006? 2009, something like that.
2009, 2006. It was in really good shape. 2007. And we had oil consumption here. So that's our oil change sticker at 92,000 miles.
We're at 93, 130, something. Just I gotta show you with the door open.
So, oh wait, door pin switch. 93, 154, 92. So he's 1,000 miles overdue with the restore and protect, and I'm okay with that. The oil did its job. It's a little dark, right? But it's full. We're almost full. I would say that's full.
Well, it wasn't the last time.
Do it again.
Yeah. Unless he's been filling it, we don't know if he's been filling it.
You're gonna go ask.
Yeah.
I don't think he is. I could be wrong. Full.
That's full.
So Valvoline, you can see how dark the oil is, right? So that means it's cleaning, and his oil consumption is basically gone, and he went 4,000 miles on Restore and Protect. So at this point, I would say we could probably go one more service on this, and then we could switch him back to regular oil.
So long as he's not actually adding oil.
Adding it. So run up here and find out real quick.
Yeah.
So another thing I want to say about...
No, he's not up here.
So another thing I want to say about Valvoline Restore and Protect, if your engine is a complete sludge monster, you have some challenges ahead of you, and if it's burning a lot of oil. So Valvoline Restore and Protect is a desludger. It's a decarbonizer. So it's going to start to peel off those deposits, and the deposits, if they're big and thick and chunky, guess where they're going? In your oil sump. So you're going to have to be careful when you use this product. So if the oil sump was already nasty from prior ownership and now you got it, and you're trying to make it right, I'm going to advise pulling the oil pan down and inspecting the oil sump to make sure that it's crispy clean. And if your engine is that nasty, and it's hard to say, but you know, if you're overextending your oil changes, it's getting nasty inside there.
He said he hasn't been adding anything.
Wow, customer states has not added any oil. Fantastic. So if your engine's nasty, you're going to have to be careful with Valvoline Restore and Protect and motor flushes, especially if there's already deposits in the oil sump, on the micro screens, on the VVTs. This stuff will loosen those deposits up, and if your engine's already has issues with blockage in the oil sump, it's only going to continue to suck up the deposits that are in crusties onto that sump, and sometimes when they're so nasty that it doesn't take long for them to block the oil sump. And then oil starvation. So you're going to have to be careful. My advice is, if you're going to use Restore and Protect and you know it's a nasty mud hole in your engine, I would probably run it for a few hours, drain the oil, let it really drip drain, or pull the oil pan down, get an idea of how nasty the oil sump is, and then be very careful of monitoring the oil color changes. So if it goes in clean and then you run it down the street and back and it's black again, that's telling you how fast it's loosening deposits. Thanks for watching.